because now you get access to my.
I want to show my sisters. Let them see what you know.
So I think that next time I will allow you to listen. No problem. I just try to make a small money. See, I upload. Now give raise a picture, sir. So that is all I could check it and I might know. You ordered here. I mean, I want to travel. So because of, I will not be waiting for your own hair. When I see hair like this, I cannot enjoy my life because of this life. Enjoy that moment where they hungry you.
Carry your iPad.
When you don't go my DM now, I've never done this type of thing to you go to your DM.
Because if I forget my DM and check,
to go and start checking. See what my children are doing me. If it's my boyfriend, now that me and him is doing this, they will not go to the DM to see the conversation, the chat, everything between me and the person. Is it good? You're not supposed to bring it to my DM.
Yeah, here. I don't go to your DM behind your back.
Why would Mommy Uche Nancy do this to Sonia Uche? Like, I don't understand. My country people, how on a day. This particular video really made me, like, I just diverse. I say, no, this is too much. So Sonia Uche, they say hers. Now so her mommy leave her, go patronize another person. So now Uche come the one that say, Mommy, look at even the amount the person is selling these hairs to you. If na me now, you go dey price me because say I be your daughter. But now see the amount this particular person they sell the hair give you. Say you know they good or she feel betrayed that her own mama no patronize her. My people, make I play the video, make you save what and judge the matter.
And she's giving you how much? 32 inches, 300 grams. I be how many grams for 300 and something thousand? If it's me that told you, Kita, see? What is the difference between this hair and my... Maybe you know they see, there's no difference. If you want to patronize that, if you buy one that I don't have,
no, I didn't know that you ordered hair. You know the last set you brought.
Don't you tell me.
I mean, I was planning to go to Abuja. So I wanted like someone that have that hair down.
Well, what is the difference?
So I didn't know.
What is the difference? This hair she's wearing and this hair I'm wearing. What's the difference between the two?
So I want to hear bleaching.
There's no difference.
I want to hear bleaching.
Just because she used to dance. Me, if I have time to be dancing like that on my own page, do I dance? How many jobs I don't do in a stretch now? When do I have time for myself? Talking of time to begin here videos, no problem.
But sometimes even if you do this, me, I have a boutique now, but I still buy clothes from other people.
I'm not saying you should not buy.
So is it all the how many hairs do I have?
Mommy, you're buying this.
You're buying this hair too. All the hairs.
Mommy, you're buying this hair too.
Hell.
No problem. No problem. I'm going to tell Chineke once I get to the house.
What will you tell them now? What is it?
Why don't I tell them? If it's something I don't have, you want to buy from somebody else.
So me, I say boutique. I have shop for me.
Yes.
Don't you used to buy clothes from other people?
Mommy, I buy clothes from other people. If you have something, I will not go and buy it from another person. I will buy it from you.
What do you mean if I have something?
If you have something.
Is this clothes now? Is it not gown? Is it not gown you still buy from other people?
Mom, that we are saying two different things.
We are not saying two different things.
Two different things.
What you see?
No problem.
You will say that this lady now, is it only hair something that me and she is doing? So you don't know how we met. So it doesn't mean sometimes you still buy things from other people based on relationship
anything. Even this hair.
Which one? I think this one. Which one? Open it.
This one now.
No, I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it. I didn't buy it now.
I'm looking at some features now.
Okay. But if I buy it, I will tell you. It's not my money. I didn't buy it.
Jesus. You paid this amount
For.
You paid this amount.
It's not for one hair.
I'm really a betrayer. I feel so bad. Let me tell you.
It's not for one hair.
I feel very bad. I have to be honest.
Yeah. Seriously, trouble. We are not supposed to be thinking like that.
It's not me thinking like that. Just leave me.
Is it not from you now I want to buy the other hair too?
No, it's not
all the other hairs then is it not from you I
If
bought
you want
them?
to buy hair that I don't have a problem with that.
Sonia,
but it's not hair that you know I can get.
Sonia,
from
did you tell me that you ordered the last hair you brought? You sold it finished. And me, I didn't know that you ordered hair. And me, I want to travel. So because of I will not be waiting for your own hair. When I see hair like this, I cannot enjoy my life because of
my country people na don watch her finish. Wetin you think? Drop your opinion for comment section, cause wetin dey my mind I no fit talk, but last I love this family, and I know say that Uche Nancy will definitely make it up to Sonia Uche. No bad feelings at all for here. They are the best family ever. Uche Nancy really raised them well. Kudos to her.